Hello, with Gartner Intelligence, I'm Michael Gukas, Chief Economist, here to share with you the latest manufacturing data from our Gartner Business Index for October 2018. October's reading of 55.7 was down slightly from the prior month, although when we look at this value compared to values in recent months, we realize that the index continues to show a consistent expansionary path. Supplier deliveries continues to be the leading component of our index, followed by production and new orders. In comparison, employment, backlog, and exports have all been weighing down our averages-based index calculation, although among these factors, only exports has actually contracted. As reported previously, Gartner closely tracks new orders and exports because of their influence on backlogs. Strong new orders readings among the many manufacturing processes which Gartner covers indicate that domestic new orders in general are more than offsetting soft export demand. We also believe that backlogs are being impacted by the resolution of the supply chains that limit the amount of manufacturing production that we can get out of our manufacturers. As supply chain bottlenecks are resolved, we believe that this will help to unfold new levels of production going into late 2018 and into certainly 2019. And we believe that that increased level of production will also have a downward influence on backlogs, and that this will help to resolve some of the 18 months of backlog buildup we've seen in the index. For more information on the state of manufacturing and to learn more about our products and services, I would encourage you to visit our website at GartnerIntelligence.com.